Here's one that's more complicated. The strategy is the same. Rewrite the bigger base in terms of the smaller base. They're both going to be powers of the same base. Last time, we looked at the powers of 2 because the smaller number was 2. This time we have an 8, so we'll check the powers of 8 to see if 4096 is a power of 8. Normally when making the list, you start at the second power. 8 to the second power is 64. 8 to the third power is 512. 8 to the fourth power is 4096. This means we can substitute 8 to the fourth power for 4096. Once you have the same base on both sides, you can get rid of them and focus on the exponents. Add 28 to both sides. Then divide both sides by 4, and we have the answer. X equals 8.
Leave a comment below. Subscribing is free. Click the like, subscribe, and bell notification buttons for more videos.